I'm a little bit of a lot of things, but what I'm not is pussy. This won't even work, son. Getting dusty, getting crusty. Also, side note, peep how bright these are now. I can barely even look at myself. Yes, close this up. Don't look at me. Don't bother. What's good? Welcome back. It's Coco El Mecánico. ¿Cómo está, mi gente? ¿Cómo está? It's the same. How we doing? Y'all know the vibes by now, man. Thank you for the support on the previous videos. I really appreciate it, man. And I mean, yo, if you haven't joined the mechanical family yet, what is this doing? What is wrong with this motherfucker? Join the family. Like the video if you like it. Subscribe to the channel if you love it. You know the vibes. Come on now. Support the fam. But anyway, it's been a minute since we had an interior start to the video. So I'm sure you could guess we got business to do inside this here interior. Yes, sir. And yeah, I get it. It's been a whole lot of LED this, LED that. If we were being honest, if we all sat down and took a drink for every LED video I made, we'd probably be about as fuck. The exterior got all this kind of LED work. We can't leave out the interior now. That's messed up. So in today's video, we will be changing out all these halogen, crusty, busty balls and giving it a more modern, crispy look. Also a little bit more color. So, yeah, enough talking. Let's get right into the video. So I mean, off the rip, these are definitely #1 offender on the list. This won't even work, son. Getting dusty, getting crusty. This one, come on, bro. What? Oh! I look like a dog's ear, man. Come on. This cardboard. So we got some new ones of these and that hair box that we're gonna bust out. And hopefully this is gonna be easy. I don't really know how to do this, but we're gonna figure it out. Okay. Oh, easy. Feel it. Damn. Damn. Come on, baby. Don't be shy, baby. Come on, baby. They sure make it look easier in the videos, don't they? Ha! There we go. Oh my god! And then we'll get the tiny booty. There we go. Ta-da! So let's take a minute to unbox the new skis. Oh, a bag in a bag in a bag in a bag type shit. Claro. Ooh. Ote. I'm doing different. Is this even gonna fit, bro? What the fuck? Yikes. Gonna go back further than that? I'm not trying to break it. No, I ain't gonna risk it, y'all. Even just this versus this. Bro, like, I don't even got the... So, now we got that done. Let's go ahead and put it in. So, at this point, we got the new out. I mean, the old out, my fault. Yep. That just goes right in there. There it goes. No. There it is. Oh my god. And y'all see how it's snugged up? And boom, just like that. Back in play. Holy cow, how was it about? Well, now that I know how to do it, let me show y'all. As you see, to take it out, you got this little slit there. And you're gonna have to put a screwdriver inside of that mug. And once you put that screwdriver in there, you will rotate it from this way back out to yourself and it will unscrew. Let me see if I can show you. So we got the screwdriver in the slit. Take from this side, and then rotate it out. As you see, boom. So now we're at this point, and this is where you fish your finger through, and you have to get the electrical connection.
A few moments later.
At this point, put your little screwdriver in there, pick, and get it out. Yeah, buddy. Hope that's in the camera. Can't really see. Okay, let's put it back. So as you see, we have a sharp triangle, and a stubby boy. All you gotta do after you plug it in is you're gonna tuck that wire up and match this design to the place it's supposed to enter. You'll see in here, there's 2 areas for a sharp triangle and the stubby boy. And you just push her in What the hell is that? Get out! So at this point, we got both of the visors done. So now we're gonna move to the back and tackle the ones in the trunk. So we got 1 and 2. Yo, cheap ass GM, bro. They just stuffed that in there. Come here. There we go. So it just clipped in. Oh Lord, it's hot. Woo! That's cooking. It's cooking. Get this buster out. Lord have mercy. Got the new LED here. All right. Back in the housing. Sick. All right, time for number 2. Yikes, just quemando, cut. All right. Yee. Okay, go ahead, take out the housing. Ooh. Ha, ha, ha. Got the new LED. And typical with lights, if you plug it in, it doesn't work. You gotta flip it around. Hey, first try, let's go. Nice, bruh. And now we finna do a quick detour and get the one underneath the hood. So we just got a little hook action here. We'll do this like this. So you got one facing that way on the hook, and then number 2. As I go blind trying to do this. Yeah, back to back. Nut to butt action. Okay, okay. Put this back on. All right, not bad. The housing should be clean though, but I ain't doing that. I lied, y'all. I ended up cleaning it. I can't be too lazy all the time now, can I? Better, way better. There it is. Man, that weak ass light. Now we're on the passenger side. We finna go take out this tiny one right here. Let's do it. Okay, there it is. Oh, that boy's cooking. Say I won't, say I won't, say I won't. Ah, shit. Oh, fuck. I'm a little bit of a lot of things, but what I'm not is pussy. That's hot. That's hot. Holy sh. Why are you gay? Already know who it is. LED, baby. Boom. My back! Now we're gonna do the one on the driver's side. Man, getting these angles is fucking tough. Yes, big blue gang. Blue over here. And we got blue down below. Sheesh. Y'all looking dull, man. Really, really dull, man. So the next task is to take off these panels and replace them with the new lights. Also, side note, peep how bright these are now. I can barely even look at myself. So I just took these at the car. We obviously have the driver's side controls, passenger, trunk and fog lights, etc, etc. So I've done this one first. On the back, you just unscrew these and these ugly little blue balls will come out, and you just put the new fire LEDs in place. Welcome back. So the final piece in this LED interior upgrade is going to be the dash, the HUD, whatever you want to call it. So my goal now is to take off this, and after that I will catch up with you. I'm not going to make a how-to on it, if you will, because there's already excellent ones on YouTube. We're just going to get right to it.
2,000 years later.
I'm not going to pretend like this took 15 minutes to get out. This took forever. And right now, I'm pissed. So once you got the big old grill out, you got 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that hold this into this. If you see here, these are where the lights are that you will be replacing. So take those 5 screws out, separate this from the, what is that? Whatever you want to call this big old thing, the dash, the HUD, let's say, and then change the bulbs out. Who said to record? I didn't tell you to record. And yeah, I know I said it's an interior video, but we do got these LED license plate lights. So I'm gonna do that right quick. All you need is a T15 action. Zip those suckers up. here she is. You know the drill by now. Put the new fire in. Sucker. New LED inside. Damn, these are crusty. Probably should clean these too, to be honest. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, so I did clean them. Damn, look at that. I don't typically clean shit, but it looked good. Muy bien.
A few moments later.
Blue in the back. Blue on the door panel. Blue over here. Blue over here. Blue at the feet. Glove box. Yes, sir. Unfortunately, this side didn't light up. I put the bulbs on multiple times, flipped them. I don't know. This wasn't messing with me, but everywhere else was a success. And lastly, got the blue plate. Yes, sir.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
I'm not even gonna say it. You guys know what it is. And you know the drill. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a like. If you loved it, subscribe. That way you can see more. And as always, thanks for watching.